Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your OneForma account to start working on microtasks and earning opportunities, follow these step-by-step instructions for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the OneForma website and log into your account using the credentials you created during registration. Step 2. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for any pending verification requirements or notifications. Step 3. Navigate to the account settings or profile section by clicking on your username or profile icon. Step 4. In the verification section, you may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from OneForma. Step 5. Open the verification email and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 6. Some projects may require additional verification, such as phone number confirmation. If prompted, enter your phone number and wait for a verification code via SMS. Step 7. Enter the SMS verification code in the designated field on the OneForma website to complete phone verification. Step 8. Depending on the type of work you're interested in, you may need to complete qualification tests or provide additional identification documents. Follow all on-screen instructions carefully. Step 9. Once all verification steps are complete, your OneForma account will be fully activated and you can start browsing and applying for available tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.